Hello everyone, welcome to Celebs Record. Is Jim Carrey really retiring? The comedy legend recently addressed the rumors surrounding his 2022 retirement comments, and what he said might surprise you. Let's dive into his latest clarification and what it means for his future in acting. Jim Carrey has opened up about his early comments regarding retirement, which he made while promoting Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Speaking the deadlines, the actor explained that one never be entirely certain about such decisions. Fans are now looking forward to its appearance in the highly anticipated Sonic the Hedgehog 3. When asked about his retirement plans, Carrey said, "You can't be definite about these things because as soon as good idea comes your way or a group of people you really enjoy working with, things tend to change." In 2022, during the promotion of Sonic the Hedgehog 2, the Bruce Almighty star had announced his plans to step away from acting, surprisingly fans worldwide. In a throwback interview with News, as cited by Deadlines, Carrey had said, "I am being fairly serious. It depends if the Angels bring some sort of script that written in gold ink," hinting that he did only return for a truly exceptional project. The excitement around Carrey work continues with Sonic the Hedgehog 3, set to release in US theaters on December 20. The third installment promises an action-packed adventure with Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles teams up against a mysterious adversary. At the London premiere of Sonic the Hedgehog 3 on December 10, Jim addressed his 2022 comments saying, "That might have been hyperbole. It seems the actor is keeping his optional open for exciting roles that might come his way." Carrey also shared with Comic Book his openness to reprising iconic roles from his career. He mentioned being interested in returning as the Grinch in a potential sequel to How Grinch Stole Christmas. Additionally, fans of The Mask would be thrilled to know that Carrey has expressed enthusiasm for the sequel to the beloved film. With Sonic the Hedgehog 3 on the horizon and Carrey's willingness to explore new projects, it's clear that his remarkable career is far from over. Fans can only hope the Angels bring more golden opportunities his way. Jim's Carrey clarification showed that his future in acting is not set in stone, leaving the door open for exciting possibilities. What do you think that his comments? Are you hoping to see him in more iconic roles? Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.